already. I'm done with all of those files. Okay, what I want to do is printing. And how I want to print, because I have something like that covering up both pages, I want to print as a spread. So you actually can do either page by page or spread by spread. And I want to save it. Oh, by the way, I didn't save it yet. So you want to save it, you have to rename it, save it here. Save or save as. Actually, I saved as untitled. So you can have either save or save as, and want to have the same folder that I had it earlier, right? And I want to have this one as my project. Okay, now I have project.indd InDesign file. Let's go to print. So from file, you can print. There is a different way of you can print, but I want to save it as PDF. So I want to, what I need is this export. So export, click, and I want to have export as project, but let's have it this project as page view. I want to have page view and another one as spread view, okay, facing pages together. So having that one, hit save, that's popping up here. Just one thing changes is, I don't know what is your default. Mine is default based on what I saved the last time. So mine earlier, I saved as page for another project that I was working on. That's why it is selected. So this is right one, not the spread pages, right? And hit export. So it asks, oh, something is problematic. Why? No, the problem was found with the background test. Don't worry about it. Maybe yours is not going to popping up because I have no error popping up here. Let's go. Take a look at that project page PDF. Loading. Okay, that's what I have. If I want to show as zoom to page level, that's what the page number 1 and page number 2. See the broken. Page number 3 broken because I made it spread. So maybe this file, this project particularly, is not very suitable for this page view. So instead of having page view, maybe the other pages like page number 4 looks okay, page number 5 looks okay, but because I designed these two of those pages sitting next to each other, not this way, maybe doing another way. So from here, file, export. Let's have project spreads. Okay, save. Not the page, having spreads and export. It will pop up again. I don't know why. Okay, come on. Let's go to Finder. Now this time, open this one. Let me show you a big one. I don't know whether you can see it or not. Because I moved from one screen to the other screen when I hit that one. Okay. So from here, zoom to page level. So I have first page as cover, from the second page and third, 2, 3 pages together as one. You know, I'm supposed to have something in here. And then 4 and 5 together as side by side. And 6 and 7 side by side. And then final back cover. Look like that. So that's what I can do as spread of page printing.